Okay, if you're looking for the engine serial number on your Honda EU3000is generator, it's located on the engine block. Well, in order to get to it, you have to remove everything on the oil change end of your generator. It's kind of a little bit of involvement. I'll show you. There's the oil change right there. Now, I've already taken this apart, so everything's loose, but, of course, use the proper end of the socket. Take off this cover first. There's 4 acorn nuts that hold that on. Then you pull this whole cover off. Of course, set it off on the side to where you can get to everything else. Now, you have to remove 4 bolts up on top of this exhaust guard. There's 4 bolts up on top. So far, the 4 acorn nuts and these 4 bolts have been 10 millimeter. You can set that anywhere you want. Of course, you'll need it in a little bit. The next 4 bolts are down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already got 2 removed because I've had this off. Just wanted to show you. It took me a little while to find it. Didn't find anything on YouTube for it. So, then you pull 4 12 millimeter bolts off of the bracket up here. Got to take the bracket off too. Set it off out of the way. Then you've got the insulation. So now you're at the engine, and if you go around to the side here, maybe, just maybe, oh, my light, gotta get my light. The engine number is right back in there on the side of the block. I'm not able to get my everything in there, but it's on the side of the block. Okay, where's that in relation? There's the oil change, the drain and the oil check, and over here, right beside it, would be your engine block number. I hope this helps you. Okay, bye.